Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariowit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to get free skins in Counter-Strike 2. So I can show you step by step how to do it. You must leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Okay. I am now playing in this retarded game because this game is really for special people. I don't know why I am playing. I must stop. I am only here for skins, nothing more. I don't care about gameplay. Okay, so you have two websites which can allow you to have free skins. Okay, CSGO skins. It is first website, and you can here have everyday daily case. Look, here is skin, the most expensive for $100. It's like 100. Nice Shadow Dodgers. I like it. It's looking good. It's looking good. If you want, and you can permanently have skins from this website. This website exists now like 8 years, over 8 years. So it's not a new website. I have this. I can just sending. Okay, it's not available. Not available. Okay, and that's how it's looking. It's sending. If you want to have everyday skins, you must only one charge your account. You must pay like $2, something like that. I have a Polish currency, so you must only one charge your account, and you will be have option to have everyday's daily case, daily skins from this site. So I think that's a good deal, guys. By the way, you have also here social cases. You should join to Discord case, Instagram case, Facebook case. Once per week you can have one skin from this case. Once per week, so you can have really a lot of skins. I like it. I recommend you do this too if you know what I mean. It's really good. And you have also a second website. It's CSGO cases. Here you have daily free 2 cases. Daily free 1, daily free 2. And you can open it every day, but you must pay like $1 per month. $1 per month, guys, and you can have such a skins. You have option to have such a skins. Look, someone dropped top drops Navaya for $400, almost 400. Okay, and you have also daily free. Someone got Desert Eagle code red, so that's a good deal in my opinion. You have also giveaway. You can join every day free, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. I hope that I helped you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.